according to the assignment instructions, I have to create a post route that will create new contacts, and another one that is going to a put that is going to update, and one that is going to delete as well. So I did exactly as the instruction says over here, which back to my codes over here in the app.js, I didn't do anything because nothing is really supposed to be done over here. And if you go to the index.js as well, nothing is being done over here. But where most of the um, changes happen was inside the contact route. I had to add different routes that is going to create, update, and also remove um, the information or the data that I have in my database. And over here, I had to write some functions that are going to be able to help create, update, and also remove them. And in this case, if I'm unable to, let's say, if I'm trying to create something and I'm unable to do it, then it's going to also get me an error message as well. So basically, this is how everything works. And I also updated my route.rest, which is basically going to do exactly as it's supposed to do. That is to show the preview of whatever I have. So the first one is just going to help to retrieve all the contact information that I have. And so far I have saved 3 informations in my database, and this is, the route to that side, and it works so fine. The second one is just to retrieve by an ID. So if I want to retrieve a specific data, let's say the first one only, I can just copy the ID, put it over here, and then when I do it, I'm just going to get information based on the ID that I have created or that I searched for. And I can also create a new contact, right? And to do that, I already have a JSON file over here that I can edit and then add something new to my database. So let's say Amma is the name, and these are some African names, so you might not understand, but Amma Nelson or something, and change everything to suit it. And Amma's favorite color will be blue. So let's leave the date of birth as it is. So if I do it this way, you can see that I got a 201 which says created, and the ID for Amma has been created over here. So Amma, it's now in our database. If I check and retrieve all contact information, you're going to see that now it's 4 and we have Amma over here. That means that everything is functioning as it's supposed to be. And if I want to update any of this information, I can easily get, let's say, Amma's information, the one I recently created, and I update the ID for Amma, and then, just do some other changes. So let's say we are going to make it Amma Dean Bonda, and then make sure that the email is still Amma Dean, and then now her favorite color is going to be black. So if I update this, then it's going to work as it's supposed to be. Let's see if it worked. So now Amma has been updated over here. The last name, which I changed it to Dean Bonda, is also updated. Email is changed, and the favorite color is now black. So it works perfectly. And if for some reason I just don't want to have Amma anymore and I want to delete Amma, I can simply copy the ID, and then this is the delete route. It's going to, this is the delete function. Copy, it's just going to delete Amma, right? So now that it's deleted, let's check all information, and we can see that Amma is no more over here. So this is basically where I've gotten to and how my program works till now. That's everything, and it works properly when you go when I go to the local host as well. Everything works. So you can see that all this information are over here. We have the first information, second one, and third one. Everything is working, and basically that's everything for my presentation.